down. Slow down. Left. Oh no. Oh, he's changing. Gas, 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 gas.
I'm trying to bring it back down.
Oh man. Okay, he's gonna try a right turn here, folks. He's going low. It's looking good. Oh no, it's chaos. Oh gosh. Yep. Nice.
Full flat. So you put that plane back together with duct tape and ingenuity. Wizards would use their magic? Who says I didn't use my magic? Oh, do you want to fly or what, boy? Well, get over here. Come here. I'm going to help you. I'm not just going to give you full control of the plane. This makes it go up. Okay? And that makes it turn too. Okay? It makes it bank. Okay? And then this right here makes it turn too. If you do both, it'll turn real sharp like that. See that? I know, you gotta be real careful. Let me get it up higher and then you can fly, okay? We'll give it some more throttle. It's really kind of windy too. Here, you wanna try it? Let me get it coming towards this way and let me get it away from the trees. Here, you take it. Here, I'll hold it, you just push the thing. No, what are you doing? You're turning the engines on. Come here, use this. Just fly with this. Right here. This one. Right here. No, not towards the trees.
I don't know how to fly.
Okay, alright. It's coming right at us. You didn't want any part of that. Oh!
That thing come by my house, I'd kill it. There's good days in flying, and there's bad days in flying. Garrett just had himself a bad day.
Oh no! Oh my God! Whoa! Didn't mean to do that. Way too tail heavy. Check that out. That's why I can't have nice things. It's like you crashing it.